Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
We're back and we're going to do it all over again. We're making rainbow slaw, ladies and gentlemen. You need red cabbage, onion, spring onion, red pepper there. It's my little invention. I don't really like normal coleslaw. Don't really like mayonnaise, but this bangs with your fried chicken. If it's your first time here, like and subscribe. Do me a solid. You're gonna slice this nice and small, thin as you can. You can put it through a grater if you like. I like to use a knife. Just bam, 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 bam. Thank you, ma'am. Give me the slaw. I'm just gonna slice this nice and look, it's sweet, crunchy, thin. Get yourself a bowl, bang that in there, make a mess if you want. Who cares? Red pepper. See this something there? 2 little piece, slicer. Yeah, man, put this through a food processor if you have one, or you can be a bad man like I and use a knife. It's easy like that. 1 onion, see it there? Half an onion, still. And then you just slice that same way. So easy. Imagine on a barbecue, spring onion, scallion, nice, sweet, fragrant, green. Chopper. Hold tight all the viewers. Hold tight everyone locked in to make this awesome slaw. Wicked with fried chicken, normal chicken, burgers, barbecued lamb koftas. Wipe down you dirty pig, you dirty man. Now we're gonna julienne these carrots just for a bit more texture. Skin on and everything. Wash them though. You gotta wash them, skin on, little slices, see them there? Just slice down, thin. Yeah, man, dash them where. And then you just wanna, julienne, see it there? Watch my speed, Charlie! You're just gonna chop these, lovely stuff. Follow on Insta, @flavor_station. Don't long it out, do it! Now we've chopped all those. Put that in there, boom, see it there? Now, fresh coriander, roughly chopped, get it chopped, releasing all that lovely perfumey flavour. You chomp down on a bit of that with your burger, you're laughing, brethren. Bang that in there too, yeah man. Flavor Station, lemon, juice, half of, see it there? Now, mayonnaise, simple as that. Little piece of hot pepper sauce. Encone if you've got it, you can use Tabasco if you wish, but I like that Scotch bonnet flavour in there. Yeah man, just gives it that little. All we want to do is just coat up and combine. We're not making it sloppy, we're just coating it up, giving it little flavour. See it there? Rainbow slaw, blood. Flavor Station styly. Taste, season, salt. Do it again. Mix and mixer. Mix and blend. Mix and blend. Yeah, boy. Look on this something. Beautiful. Look at the colours, man. Fresh. You can keep this for a good 2-3 days as well. In your fridge, out your fridge. It's just lovely. Better than the stuff you can buy in the supermarket. Buying coleslaw, you waste, man. Just make it. Fresh, cold, crunchy. Good for you. Vitamin C. There's zinc in there. There's all sorts in them veg. I know the mayonnaise, but if you get light stuff, it's light work. Thanks for watching. Search on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Watch a video, watch a playlist, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, you bunch of legends. Love you. Bye.